Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, your go-to channel for the best unboxings and product reviews. Today, I'm really excited because we've got something special for all Manchester United fans. The brand new Manchester United 2025-26 away jersey. Let's open up this box and check out what Adidas has brought for the Red Devils this season. Right out of the box, you can see how premium this jersey looks. The jet black color instantly gives it that bold and powerful vibe, and those red and metallic silver details really pop. This thing screams class and confidence. As soon as you hold it in your hands, you can feel the quality. The material feels super soft but strong, exactly what you'd expect from Adidas. The geometric pattern across the fabric gives it that futuristic design. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it perfectly represents the spirit of Manchester United on the road. You've got the embroidered club crest on the chest, the Adidas logo, and the sponsor detailing, all looking sharp and professional. I really love how the black base color symbolizes strength and focus, while the silver and red accents remind you of the club's winning legacy. It's not just another away kit. It's a design that captures history, ambition, and modern style all in one. When you wear this, you're not just supporting your team, you're wearing a piece of that legendary United pride. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit that like button, subscribe to see my review, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future unboxings and reviews. I'll be back soon with more exciting products and exclusive deals. Until then, keep supporting your team and stay stylish. See you in the next one. If you're a true sneakerhead or fashion lover always on the lookout for the latest drops, bestzv2.com is a site you definitely need to check out. This online store has quickly become a go-to destination for high-quality sneakers, trendy apparel, and exclusive fashion pieces that elevate your style game without breaking the bank. From iconic Jordan retros and Yeezys to the latest lifestyle sneakers and streetwear essentials, BestZV2 brings you a wide range of authentic products that cater to every